think we are there. Good. Yeah, working. So what can I work on today? Basically, like I have you're live now. Good. Okay, there's a couple of things. Like there's this YouTube interview I've got. Sorry, not YouTube. Where is it? There's this Google interview I've got. I don't really. I'm not a big fan of it. I don't know. I mean, although like it's good to actually like. I don't like to interview. Okay, let's just hide this because that's probably something I shouldn't say. Shouldn't show. Let's see what was this interview about. So, is there yes? Okay, where's this? I could probably check what sort of tasks they want me to do on this Google thing. No. 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 So I've got this interview somewhere soon. Yeah, so like I think I have like some tasks to do, like tests to do for YouTube for Google interview. Although I'm as I'm saying, I'm not very pumped about this job. It's yeah, okay. Let's see this stuff. Let's just open it just so no one can see who is it from. Yeah, okay. So it's from this lady and it's up to here. Okay, let's just copy this message and see what she's saying. Drive. Let's just open a new message and is there anything personal? Yes, no. We'll be doing mental health of everyone in our community, the well-being and mental health of all. This is from Google interview. Community including candidates is important to us. Should a conflict or emergency rise, please reach out to. Okay, this is probably just like standard message, so I don't really. If you need interview accommodations because of disability or neurodivergence, I have no idea what that is, you can explore and your accommodation options. Please schedule confidential call with our accommodations expert, employability or email employability. I wonder if I could just like should I get myself accommodation from YouTube, from Google? I don't know. Basically, yeah. Seems to be one view. Okay. During your interviews, you might use shared docs with your interviewers. This is for Google interview. So for Google interview. Yeah, as I'm saying, I'm not really pumped about going to working for them. I feel like it's just like a bigger corporation, and like I hope not to. But let's see what they actually expect, just to like see if I can do that. Maybe I will find it interesting actually. During your interviews, you might use shared docs. Okay, please bookmark the links below for easy access. At the time of your interview, please log in to both Google Meet. Link provided to email. Okay, interview document 1. What's this? Yeah, okay, let's try this. I'm a candidate. I agree. I'm right. I understand. Okay, I think virtual interview. Okay, so there's like. Oh, okay. So probably I shouldn't share that, to be honest. Okay, interview document 2. Reach within 24 hours into please contact. Okay. Please review your guide, step-by-step guide. Instructions here. Minutes. Okay, I probably shouldn't share that. Fuck that. Okay, I'll probably have to do this, I don't know, soon. Read your user laptop's desktop. Prepare. Please join no more than 5 minutes early and log out. Interviewer status. Oh, so do it like. Oh, that sucks. Okay, no, let's not do that. No. After the. Okay, so I have like some sort of interview. Okay, so they expect me to do some sort of interview. Like that. Maybe later. I don't know. I shouldn't share that, to be honest. So let's not do the interview now. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, back to Planner. I'll do that later, maybe. I don't know. Fuck them. Yeah, maybe one day I will actually be praising YouTube. Sorry, Google, and saying that it's the greatest place to work. But currently, I'm not really pumped about going, like just being, doing the interview process even. I think they're doing like those stupid tests, like, is this, some sorting algorithms and stuff. And I didn't do it for a couple of years. Like last time I did them was maybe 2 or 3 years ago. No one is really needing them for anything. They're just there to test if you have this like silly, like inside knowledge. Oh, that's my wife's. She's doing those nice things. I think they're pretty. I was going to upload them to her YouTube, but maybe later actually, because then I might lose this. Hi. How is progress going on today? Yeah, yesterday I actually managed to done with Stripe. Well, seems to work well. Need to fix couple internal settings pages, and I'm good. Yeah, I think I'm happy. And then I will probably build like 1 or 2 more functionality, like some 2 functionalities within the app, but that might be later. Oops, sorry. I shouldn't play that, There was something on LinkedIn, and I just run it. Okay, let's just play some good Polish folk music, and then we can do coding again. So for now, Polish folk. I built a Tomio worth 1 million for 2000. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, is it worth the 1 million? I don't know. Yeah, some guy is like saying, like, I think this sounds actually very like incorrect. I don't know. I built Tomio worth 1 million for 25k in 2026. So he already did it this year? Like he just started. Like if it's 5 days. Real app. Or I'm building. Maybe he's building it. Thumbnails backend by data. Built by AI. I don't know. It just looks like stupid. Doesn't look sincere. Something about 17th century knights. That's... Hello. Check title. What's wrong with title? Stripe is done. I can sell now. Yeah, it sounds good. Road to passive income. I built... Oh, you mean title of this video? I'm just kind of... Sorry, I was just distracted by some guy. I was going to play some good Polish folk music, but I forgot. And then like I was scrolling YouTube. I do that all the time. Let's just close shorts. No, fewer shorts. Oh, this is other channel actually. Let's go to this one. Stripe. Okay, Stripe. Oh, thank you. Yeah, this probably will improve my my video live streaming. Yeah. Okay. I can probably. Can I change it here? Where is it? Stream settings. Yeah. Stripe. Yeah. So like yesterday, I managed to do that. I'm so happy actually because it was actually not the Stripe setup or anything on my backend. I was just checking on the wrong database, and then it turned out that there was something silly actually. I already forgot. I probably should write notes, but I will actually not do that. And then next time when I'm facing the same problem, I will probably do the same thing. I will spend 2 or 3 days swearing on it, and then I will figure it out somehow, and it will work. So I think let's do it that way. I think it sounds like a good strategy for the future. And this file I should not show to you guys because there might be some keys. Actually, I think I removed all the important keys from my settings. Let's see. Yeah, I think they're gone. So yeah, I have them on my render now. So this is a bit safer. Yeah, thanks for that. Thanks for your comment on the title. Maybe I should do it always, you know, like make purposeful, like mistakes on purpose. So people just like, you know, it's an engagement thing. People will come and then there will be what you're building. Put description. It helps for users. Oh, like description here. Yeah, okay. I should actually. It's live. 0 customers. So I'm gonna be building actually today. I had an idea. I just forgot now. I have to fix. There's seriously one more thing I have to fix on my app, and let's just open this. So I'm gonna settings. I think there was something about settings that you can't. Oh yeah. You get confirmation email, and I had it yesterday. You get confirmation email and it gives you a wrong link, or maybe not. Let's try again. Let's try registering a new user. Product planner. I will try to register a new user and see if there are any errors. So this is actually someone I registered yesterday on this email address, and this is on my production, which is good. I love it. I actually removed passwords from here because they are not necessary. Passwords will be assigned to you when you actually sign up by Stripe. Corp. So there's a new corporation I just started, and let's have a 30 minutes mail. 30 minutes mail. I will remove those accounts later. So like I think you know, they're not really necessary here, and they can have my name obviously. Userosh. And let's just have a free version. I wonder what happens when you have more than 50 products. Actually, I will have to test that because this was actually vibe coded, and my AI did it for me, and it probably did it well, but there might be a problem there. Okay, so I have my new user, and I think there was you can log in here, which is correct. And then I don't know if this one is working. Yes, so let's log in. Let's log to the system with this new username and this new password that was just provided by backend. So it's like, as you can see, this stuff is working. So I have my new user, which makes me happy actually. Oh, because you were asking what am I building? I'm actually still building Planero, which is like the app for delivery services. So yeah, this is it. I wonder what. Okay, I can probably put it here. So let's just do to-dos here. I wonder where would be the best place actually to put that kind of description. Should I put it like on the screen or something? To-dos. Fix settings for okay. Oh, actually, I also have to tag for subscription, for managing subscriptions. For managing subscriptions. Yeah, that's probably the most important now. Complete. Or maybe should I? Oh, yeah, I think I would just like, I'll try to find on Upwork, find lector for sales video on Upwork. I will actually make a sales video for like with me reading, but I will actually also in the future, like I will want to replace my reading with someone with nice accent. So that will be another thing that I will do. I also have to test if my user management, if the amount of users I invite is capped by the system, because that might be a bug. Obviously, I don't really mind at this moment because I don't have customers. Delivered. Okay, I think this one. Oh, we have those. Okay, we have some statuses twice. Oh, that's a bug. That's a obvious bug. In transit, delivered. Yeah. Okay, so those two actually. We have double. Okay, let's just start fixing them. And okay, I will just pull production. Actually, let's just pull production to my. What's here, router? Okay, it seems to be. Let's not actually do anything about that. Oh, actually, no, this might be fixed. No. Okay, this might be fixed to the first task, to be honest. So let's just fix redirect. Yeah, I should actually make like a slide or something that would actually explain what the application is about. So that might be a nice thing for my video casts and stuff. Let's move me to the side. I think this is better. Yeah. And yeah, so like I think now this is like one of the few remaining things I want to fix in the actual application before I sell it, because like it already works. Like the sale, the Stripe and the sign up works already. So I just have to like start sending people there, which is kind of scary in one way, but in other hand, it's very important. But also like there's a couple of things that I have to fix for users to be able to actually manage their accounts. Let's just merge what I have. Merge from production. Yeah, I was just doing everything on production yesterday. It's probably like don't tell it to some senior developers because they will laugh. But that's how I roll sometimes. And I think like it's my application, so I will be responsible for it. Let's create new branch which will be fixed. What are we fixing? Double statuses. Yep. Because we've got some double, like on sign up, we've got some double statuses, like delivered is twice, in transit is twice, and it's kind of silly. So like now, when we have our Kanban board, we have multiple things twice. And I wonder like how we do it by default actually. Let's ask my AI, where are my default values for my settings? Are my default values for Kanban board statuses? I have twice, and I don't want some of them to new. Yeah, okay. And then I will actually like create a video sort of tutorial for users how to actually use it to show like exactly what it does. That would be like part of promotional thing that I would actually start promoting actually, and with hope that people will see it and work with it and just watch it, That's for example, pending, cancelled, that doesn't have to be on the board. In transit, that's probably important. And in preparation, maybe not. Yeah, let's delete this one as well. So now my board will be a bit shorter, there's only 4 items. Why did it say? Yeah, okay, so this is kind of improvement, but like I don't need to have so many. Default delivery statuses, okay. Signal spy? Do I have that? I didn't know that I have a file like that. Default product statuses, delivery statuses, okay. In preparation. Why is it twice? Let's see if it's somewhere else as well. In transit, no. But it's only once here. Okay. Oh, okay. So I had in transit twice. Signals in transit. Delivery statuses. Okay, so maybe do I need delivered, cancelled? So which ones are deleted? I deleted this one and this one, delivered, and in transit. In transit here, but that's probably not it. Ready, production, pending. Okay, I don't think I got it there. Delivery statuses. Yeah, like that's product list. What's the product list? It's probably here. Why would they show twice in status management? That's a question. Yeah. Let's yes, let's only show in transit, ordered in transit and delivered. Ordered in transit and the 2 new users. Got a minute? No, I don't know. Okay, don't worry. Rest of them should be toggled off from Kanban. Okay. On Kanban actually, on Kanban. Then we need to ensure there are no duplicates. Yeah, we had some duplicates. We have to make sure. And like I'm back to actually doing my marketing spiel, which is good actually, because that's actually something that might actually get me some money in the end, So this will actually start being exciting, I guess, So like, yeah, there's some vibe coding. I don't really know if you find it that fun. But like we'll see actually if there are any sales. That's actually gonna be, and like we'll try to make like videos and like AdWords to actually send people there, and I can like every day I can check how many How many people even viewing my sales page? That's probably quite fun. That would be like a daily occurrence, you know. This is how many I've got. Yeah, nice. I think it introduced some errors into my code. Yep, sounds like it. Oh, now it's just about any. Who cares? TypeScript. Product list. If I close it, oh, no errors. Wow, so much better. This is good. Yeah. Oh yeah, the music. I forgot the music. I keep on forgetting about the music. Oh, okay. So I've got my main user, and unfortunately, it's still. Oh, maybe now, because I redeployed new version. Let's see if this one manages to. No, that's broken now, even more than it was before. Cannot read properties known on store. Initial hook. Oh, this actually looks fun. Yeah, let's go back to subscription. Yeah, let's go back here again. So we've got that. Let's see settings. Yeah, page settings. Seems to be a problem here. Let's see other pages. Okay, failed to load monthly data. Seems like there is no. Oh, because you have no data. Yeah, okay. Yeah, also that's another bug. Let's get rid of it as well. I will actually write it down. If new account in reports there is a toast saying it should say no data yet. Yep, no data yet, because and on settings, let's see if I have it on local, because then it will show me some more descriptive errors rather than just this failed to do stuff. Okay, I don't know what this is doing. Terminal. PowerShell. Okay, am I on? CD web p and pm dev. Yep, no. And cd backend. Okay, I don't know where I am. ls. Okay, I think there is where are we? It's directory. I don't know. Product planner. Okay, cd backend. Yeah, backend. Python. Manage by run server. Yes, yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's see if I have the same problem on the front end, because that will be easier to actually track. Is this like is this going? Yeah, let's go to settings. Yes, settings. It says in settings that okay. Let's send it to the AI boss and see what it figures out. Stop. Okay, I think I will have to just refresh it. Stop. Yes. My VS Code just failed me. Okay, let's go back. I'm getting this error on settings errors. There's probably many of them. Let's just AI fix them. I don't care. cd backend. Oh, where's my terminal? Okay, it's supposed to be here. Back and Python manage by run server. cd web npm dev. Yep. Okay. Some settings here. Error here. No. This seems. Ooh. This is like even more broken than it was just a minute ago. Let's see what's wrong here. So, okay, products. Nothing shows here. Nothing shows anywhere. Page products. I think it's just not up yet, or maybe it's broken. Okay, now it's like start all PS. Yeah, okay, I don't know what's happening now. This is just way more broken than I thought. Yeah, I'm just breaking my app. So that's what we're gonna do today. Break things. And for some reason, like, this AI seems to be blocking everything. Okay, let's just try again. Yeah, I think we are running the server. We are already running server, yes. So skip that. We do have a server running. We do have a PNPM running. So please stop. Yeah, okay. Consider adding error boundary. Oh, that might be useful. Yeah, that sounds like a useful idea. I have back and front end running, so you don't try fixing errors. Thank you. Yeah, localhost 3000. Let's see what it does. Okay, yeah, it's showing. So let's see. Oh, settings are working. Okay, settings are working now. Actually. Now, good. Okay, great. Yeah, so signals. Okay, sounds like a good fix. That sounds like search params. Okay, so it's looking wider, and that's it. That's all what was broken here. Okay, keep. Let's see. Yeah, seems like it's fixed. Yeah, so like now up to active subscription. Oh, view plans. Subscription. Ooh, manage your subscription, billing and payment methods. View plans. Okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. So I have a new page, basically. Thank you, AI. You actually fixed my page, which is good. And then, like, the last bit was, yeah, if the account has no reports, there's a error now, and I don't want it. Now, if the account, if account I'm in reports page, there is a toast saying failed, and no. Yeah, okay. No data yet. It's yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. I think it should actually figure it out. So let's see. Let's see if my AI figures it out. Oh, I'm supposed to play music. Shit, I keep on forgetting that. I'm getting distracted all the time by something on the phone and some code and some AI and stuff like that. Oh, so it's gonna change translation. Ah, that's a nice idea. I think that's the quickest and easiest thing to do. Yeah, let's have some music again. Yeah, okay, let's keep it. I think that's a good call. for now. Yeah. Yeah, although if there is no... Yeah, okay, that's probably better. Just easier message. I think that's like sometimes it's better not to like write too much logic and just like, okay, if you can just change the text. I like AI does sometimes really pragmatic thing, you know. It's just fixes like something, you know. I would maybe write some condition there or like put some new component, and then AI just changes the text, which is good. Yeah, let's keep it that way. It's simple, easy. Update settings, fix settings page. That's probably the most important. And default statuses. Yeah, that's probably good. And let's deploy it and see if it's actually working. New to stream but looking very interesting. Yes, it is very interesting. It's an app that's supposed to make me a millionaire, so I think like that's something that everyone wants to watch. Plus, like on my stream, I'm playing, you know, the Polish folk music from these people, you know, pretty dancing, happy people, you know. Ooh. So, you know, it's a fun stream. You should be checking out more often. Sometimes I have a good vibe and I'm just like really flowing, and sometimes you see me really struggling, like yesterday when I almost just, you know, wanted to throw my keyboard against the wall because I had such a funny bug and I embarrassed myself, actually, to be honest, because I was checking the wrong database and thinking that it's actually not working while it was working. Oh, those guys are actually trying to hit up on those girls, you know. Ooh, let's see if they actually get them. See, like, they're gonna be dancing later, so that's actually another fun thing. But let's not get distracted by pretty women. You know, I think that's a lesson for life, actually. That's a good lesson for life. Pretty women, don't get distracted by them always. I mean, sometimes you will, but yeah, just the boys thing. Yeah. So, you know, when you try to build something new and make millions, you know, then you realize there are women and they are pretty and you want to spend time with them. So maybe like sometimes, yes, let's instead focus on programming and, you know, finish the app and start selling it. Yeah, that's probably the good way. So yeah, that's a lesson for today. I think that's a lesson for today. You know, you can see that, you know, my huge software development experience is useful at some stages here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if it's actually deployed. I will actually do the silly quick thing and just merge the main with production and send it to production, because I don't want to I don't want to spend too much time on it anymore. I think like it's working, and I want to move on to marketing, and then I will spend like entire session testing it, and then another entire session will be about recording like a video tutorials for it. So there's a couple of more things that I will be doing later, and I don't want to actually get bogged down. What does the app do? Just being curious. It's for delivery management, you know, so like you can manage your deliveries through this application. That's probably the simplest solution, the simplest explanation. So you have your products, deliveries, clients, and you know, you can import your Excel here. Because most of the most of the small businesses are still running things on Excel, so you can just import it here and just like have it running. So yeah, that's the simplest solution, the simplest thing that it does. And if you are actually tempted to say that yes, there are apps that are doing it and they are built by Microsoft or someone huge, that's fine. I don't mind. I know that's how it works. I don't want to actually overthrow Microsoft. I think like my goal is to try to make some money with it and try to sell it to some small businesses that will actually really appreciate that. that will appreciate simplicity of this app and that it's actually solving a small couple of things, not like trying to save the world, you know. Yeah, that's probably where I am with this app. So like this app needs to sell to 100 businesses, which is probably more achievable than trying to become a worldwide software hegemon, you know, or like, is there a word? Is it in English only or is it only in Polish? My hands are super dry today, so like I'm doing some. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to the app, and yeah, that's what I want to actually. So this is actually something I will want to convey in my marketing, you know, like it's a simple thing for simple things, simple app for simple things, you know. It's not gonna save the world. It's gonna make it easier to manage your products, and that's it, you know. Like if you have that kind of business that does, you know, delivery and stuff, it will actually help you. If you want to do other stuff integrated with some millions of systems, probably you need to hire someone that will manage your Microsoft 360 or something like it, and you know, move on. That's not the app for you. But you know, and like the fun thing is like you know, if this app sells couple of copies, I'm happy because I can just like build another one. If it sells hundreds, I'm actually sorted, you know. I don't have to worry about earnings because it's a monthly SaaS. If it sells thousands, you know, I can probably look for a new Porsche or like new Ferrari, you know. So that's you know, that doesn't need to, this thing doesn't need to change the world, you know. I think that I like that actually, because I used to get really paralyzed by thinking that, you know, I have to build like super, like, you know, why am I building this up if Microsoft already did this and like 100 other things? Yes, Microsoft or like Google or something, they did probably that already, but they also made it so complex that people, when they open it, it kind of gets them bogged down in like stuff that they don't understand. Sorry, I just have a phone call. Hello. Spam? O, cześć. Myślałem, że to spam. No. Tak, oczywiście. Tak. Mhm. Jasne. Pewnie. Cześć, dobra, cześć. Miłego dnia. That's another. There's some interviews that I'm actually having often also, because like I want to move to passive income, but it might actually not happen this time. I might actually need to go back to work as well, because I'm a father who is actually paying bills and stuff. But this is actually on the side, so like I have a couple of interviews, but like I don't want to really get back to corporation. Or if I do, like I will still be building this and trying to get customers. So in hope that at some point I will just replace the 9 to 5 with this. So, but like it might actually happen earlier, but it might actually take longer, you know. So like if it's longer, then I still need to probably look for jobs. Currently I'm paid, but I don't need to work. I'm in this kind of cool situation. But yeah, but I don't know. Okay, I just got distracted. So okay, let's just deploy it to production. What I have on main. So let's go to production and merge this with merge production and push it to production, and then I think that's gonna be fine for today in terms of programming, you know. So like I will actually be happy with what's programmed and like what's out there. pull, push. I don't know if you hear the music. I think it's lovely. It's about two sisters. One of them was getting married, and one didn't really want to get married. You know, that's some music from different times. Simple, but quite pretty. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see if it's deploying. Let's go to render, which is my platform for hosting it. And let's go here. Yeah, it's deployed. Oh, 20 minutes ago. No, I don't think it's actually deploying. Oh, I actually have to push the production push. So yeah, I already deployed that earlier, but I will have to redo that again. Is it? Was I talking for 26 minutes? I don't know. Was it 29 minutes ago? Huh. Was I talking for 29 minutes? No. No. There needs to be something. Oh, because I've created a pull request and like, yeah, okay, I know. Yeah, I need to fix, I need to merge this pull request in GitHub. So yeah, product planner. Okay, this guy. Yeah, I spoke to him yesterday. He's cool guy. Yeah, pull request, obviously. Fix double statuses. Create pull request. And merge pull request. Yeah, you can see I'm quite lousy actually with checking my code. It's written by AI. If it's broken, I don't mind. I will fix it. Like when I see the errors, I will fix them. I don't have a boss. Actually, you know, I'm the boss. So I don't have to worry like, oh, is this broken? I don't have customers yet, so I don't have to worry too much about them. I just have to make sure that, you know, I'll actually do proper testing before I actually start sending customers here. And this will actually be enough. So like, you know, all the jazz that we normally have about pull requests, checking, you know, code reviews and stuff, I don't have to deal with that, which is good. I kind of, this is probably least favorite part of the web development, you know, when people are complaining that your class is called differently than they like to be called, and then you have to you know, talk to, like, discuss it with them, or like when they think that, you know, there's a prettier way of writing CSS by writing Tailwind, and you don't really agree with that, and then you have to argue with them. Usually people just like write the comments because they feel like they have to, and they don't want to. So so let's avoid that. I'm happy I can avoid that in that project. Not every project needs to be that kind of pain. And I don't feel like it's actually improving that much, because people still make lots of errors, lots of bugs. They commit plenty of bugs, and if you have like someone checking your pull request, it doesn't really, I don't feel like it's actually improving much of code quality and stuff. Branch, merge, main. Yeah, let's push that bloody production on. Yep. And let's see if my settings will work. So I have this account actually working, which is good. Oh, now it will be deploying it. Okay, so that's gonna obviously block it. And this will be fixed in a minute, and there will be this will be fixed. So let's just wait for this deployment to finish, because it's almost there. I think it's like when it's building, it's still like this. The app is still on. Like this is actually pretty good about render, and I'm not trying to sell them to you or anything, but really good about render. And probably this is actually okay. This is probably the entire thing about the good DevOps is like when you deploy things, and if they don't build or stuff, they actually your app is still safe. It's quite safe in terms of like how the deployments work. So let's actually have it deployed. and I will actually test it with new users. Oh, 5 people, nice. I should make a poll actually. I always forget to create a poll. Do you let's just make a let's try like I don't know. Do you use wow, it's deployed. What the main domain name? Okay, like I need to connect main domain. So like currently this is my I call it production product planner. So this is my production on render. I have actually this domain called planero.eu, but it's kind of mess. I don't know why. Like on my machine, it always shows like HTTPS is not working, and yeah, I don't know. Like on the phone, if I open, it's gonna be fine. Or in 5 minutes on the. So I've got this domain called planero.eu, which I don't like. I just bought it like when I was testing it. So I will actually, before I will launch it, I will buy another one, like, I don't know, one of the cheap ones, actually, like Planero Online or something, or maybe something else. I don't know what's I know that planero.com is taken, so it's not gonna be planero.com. I don't like planero.eu. It might be something else, I don't know. But for the app itself, like the thing is like this could be here, you know, because I'm redirecting people to that, so they don't have to like they can go to planero.eu and then click on, you know, open the app or something, and then it will just redirect them to my production. So I think it's fine, you know. It could be actually this way anyway. Oh yeah, my new section, cancel subscription. Ooh, nice. Can I cancel? Are you sure you want to cancel subscription? You will retain access until the end of billing period. Ooh, that's actually working. It just kind of it just made it. Accept your subscription will be cancelled on. Whoa, that's nice actually. I didn't like, this is a vibe coded actually. it's a hard stuff actually. Like I didn't even think of it, of the subscription management. I have text. Okay, let's just write it down as a to do for now. I think like for now I'll just okay, this is done. There's something wrong with subscription canceling, or let's just do it now. There is something wrong. Oh, so I wonder what I got actually from the backend. Can I check it? F12 network. Let's see actually what it's giving me. Because this date is from somewhere. Yeah, payments. No, current. Updated ad plan. Created ad. Okay, this is when. Plan details. Where does it says? Is it trial? False. No trial. Is it active? Tag. Days until renewal. Created ad. Cancelled at the period ad. True. Okay. Yeah, okay, there is something funny, but I will just give it like give this to my AI. I have my plan in subscription management, but it says I will copy what it says and I will just paste my object that I'm getting. This is my object from current endpoint and okay, yeah, this is what it says. Yeah, let's see if it figures it out. I think it does actually, because it's like even the free one from Grok Code Fast, is actually pretty good with that. So like if you give it an error and what's actually you know, the endpoint that doesn't seem to work, and the exact error like that is showing, and the object, it will figure it out. This is actually doing what I would normally would take me like 2 hours normally, because this is like one of the hardest parts. You know, you just did like something silly and you can't figure out where is your data divergent and why it's actually showing like a wrong date, and then like it kind of compares it quickly and does fix. Yeah, and then the music again. But yeah, like this is one of the coolest thing. I mean, I think if AI agents are cool. Basically, they're great. And you know, I think they're better than me in writing code itself. They're not better in solving the problems than me, but they're better at writing code than I am. You know, 15 years software engineering, and it just kind of, you just realize that silly free AI is actually doing this job better. At least writing code, you know. There are things that I'm doing way better than AI, and the AI cannot replace me in that. But like in terms of like writing the code, like decent code, it's doing good job. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, okay, I think it's gonna probably figure it out. Yeah. Update settings, cancel date. So this should actually fix this silly error, and I'm actually kind of running out of errors to actually solve. So yeah, I'm actually happy. Yeah, okay, manage billings. I think this will actually take me to Stripe. Yes, billing Stripe. Oh, I might actually need to build some more stuff here, but that's probably later. Okay, I think I will actually not do that today, because it's the list is growing all the time, and like I want to actually move on to other stuff. And the subscription tab will probably be like the last one, I think, or maybe that. Yeah, maybe that's good. So now it's actually building my production environment, which is kind of happy news. And I will just test the full flow at the end of that. So like whether I can sign up, I can invite people, can I do the payment and stuff like that. Can I import my files? I think that would be next step. Can I do it now, or should I do it after like a break? Although like I have 6 people now. Like this is actually like a very lively podcast. Although no one is actually talking except those 3 lovely guys. So TCM Bravo, you are actually someone that I've seen a couple of times. Nice to see you again. Bosil Clipper, that's actually a person I've seen already. Good to see you again, dude. Yeah, we talked about your lovely avatar. And a new person, nice. Yeah, so we have a growing podcast, as you can see. 3 people. There was 6. There's 3. There will be 6 again in 5 minutes. That just changes all the time. Doesn't matter. For me, the important thing is like the app. Yes, sales working. Subscription management is working. Billing management is working. Except this silly date that will be fixed in a second. And I can do the marketing shit, you know? Like, it's actually good because... Oh, and testing, obviously. So I'll do testing, marketing shit like today and tomorrow. And I think I will just start sending people there. And like paying. I will start really paying for Google AdWords to send people to my app. And see how it goes, you know? Like maybe someone will sign up. As I said, I need 100 people over the next 2 or 3 months to actually maintain my lifestyle with this app. And I will be building another one as well. So this is actually a good thing as well. So like there is a app that I sort of dusted off from like 6 years ago, and the other day I was just checking it, and the code was so nicely written. I was actually, because it was me writing it, I was very particular. I was really serious about making it pretty and readable for myself, and I managed to do that, because now when I open it, when I open it, it's actually, the code is pretty clean, you know. It's really like the folders, like the files are actually, you know, up to 150 lines. They're like really nicely flowing. The CSS is very nicely written, I think. Like I'm actually very happy with the way I wrote it a couple of years ago. And I was writing it like before the 2019, I think, last time I actually opened it, and then like a couple of weeks ago again, and I kind of managed to start it. I upgraded all the plugins. Yeah, sorry for showing this. You probably don't care. Yeah, upgraded all the plugins. Let's see if now the dates. Your subscription will be cancelled at the end of current period. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's fine. I think it should actually give me date. Doesn't it know when? Okay, it probably doesn't know when it's gonna be done. Yeah, okay, I don't think it has date. Plan details. Yeah, okay, no details. I will have to maybe find it somewhere. That doesn't matter really. I think we are pretty good with that. So let's say that the app is ready, and like the bugs that I can see are actually very minor, and I don't really have to worry much more anymore. I accept this name. It should actually know the name from the sign up. Let's see if Danish will work. Save changes. Yeah, okay. Then yeah, the languages are working. With some with some problems. Okay, I will have to just go through the app and make sure that the translations. This is like, you know, there's a couple of minor things which, you know, not everyone works, but that's fine. Let's just write it down on the list. Okay, this is fine. Translations. Whoa, translations. Make sure all is translated. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. I think like I'm running out of tasks to do. Like this app is so good. So I think like, you know, the next step, like there's less and less things to annoy me here, and I think like there's actually one more thing I will write as a full functionality, and now I need to start testing, like in terms of like, because I've got this plans, better done than perfect. Yes. I think like I love that actually. I heard it so many times, and like this is something that actually got me. I was just talking about my other application, my other app. I actually took 3 or 4 months off from work, but back in like 2019, to write this app, and I pretty much done it, you know. And instead of just like releasing it, I actually like I found the job then, but like I should have released it and even start selling it. Like even if 10 people actually used it or 100 people, it's still free. Like, you know, my server costs, my whatever domain costs are actually much lower than if I had like several people using it. And if I like over the years I would actually manage to build it bigger and like get hundreds of people using it, then I would be actually, I wouldn't have to work, you know, I wouldn't have to go back to corporation. So this is actually, yeah, I love the quote, the better done than perfect. I think like I heard it like, okay, I heard it many times. I don't know if, you know, if we can assign it to any big person or something. But that's actually, yeah, that I actually like that one. I think it's especially in software development. Yeah, you know, when you open like very successful apps, you open Windows, you know, and there's so many bugs. If they really wanted to fix all of them, they wouldn't sell it, or they would make it smaller. I think like there was a talk from Steve Jobs like a couple of years within him actually launching. I think It was about Macintosh or something. I don't know. Doesn't matter really. And someone really asked him about something like specific about Java, like how are you gonna do this better than others programming languages? And he's like, yeah, you know, you can. And someone was really rude. That was actually really interesting. He had actually dealt with it very well. So he actually responded with like, you know, you can try to, yeah, and probably I will not make this thing that you just mentioned better, you know. I think like I might actually fail at that, but my goal is to create a system that many people, like multiple people, can actually work with. And this is actually much harder than just like fixing this one issue. And probably you will actually fix, you know, you will make that one issue, solve it better than I can do. But like I will create a better system, and he did actually. He did like very successful job in terms of creating a successful system. And probably, yeah, probably he would quote that, you know, better done than perfect, you know. And you try to make it better. Obviously, you put effort into that. You actually test and upgrade and update, you know, and make it and improve. And especially now, you can just like ship new version every time, like every day. But like, I think like many times it kind of blocked me from actually proper action, trying to actually make it ideal, and then I would actually start losing the wheel of actually releasing the app, and you know, giving it a chance to actually make me money. Yeah, how is the music today, guys? Can you hear it even? Like, I think I'm trying to actually, like, if I'm playing it, because I'm playing it from the phone, I don't want to play it through. Maybe I should play it through the system. I can just show you the video. Yeah, the guy's fighting for women. Did you ever fight for a woman? That's an interesting thought. Yeah, let's start this as a poll. This will be interesting. Yeah, so yeah, the app, yeah, it's better, it's done, not perfect. Yeah, let's stick to that. I think next steps are actually marketing. I have a sales page which I need to connect to a domain and start sending people there. So I called it planner or sales page. So this is the one. And I have a video. I think that's sort of last thing that stops me from actually getting people to actually pay. I mean, paying for marketing to send people there. So this is the last thing I actually want to get done. And then I will actually start doing like also like video tutorials or things like that about my actual app, so people can actually go and watch it and see how it actually works and decide if they want to buy it. And maybe like, you know, I could also do things like maybe blog about, you know, managing products and stuff. That's probably something useful as well later. About page, yeah, probably that's something. So I would have to probably start building also those small things, you know. And most of this could be done with AI. So like, you know, I could AI them. Probably most of the people will ignore that, but someone might actually look at it and decide to buy the app. And yeah, I feel like for now I'm actually good with what I have here, and I will probably have to finish soon because I have to get my car to the mechanic, and then I have a doctor and I have guests and stuff like this. But I really enjoy it, and I think I'm progressing a lot actually, because yesterday and for 2 days in a row I was so stuck over some payment issues and webhooks and stuff, and this is a nightmare for me because I don't even know where to look often, you know. And sometimes, and then I realized that it's I'm looking into wrong database, and I'm just spending too much time. And like, it wasn't actually about the payments and the webhooks and stuff, but it was about my email setup. That's why when I was testing my app, I wasn't getting like confirmation email. And yeah, silly. But yeah, that's how it works sometimes. Like, oh, let's invite a user. That's the last thing I will do. So I'll do a bit of testing for now. Can I use this one? Let's invite this fellow, and he will be an employee. Send invitation. Successful send. Okay, so like, let's see if this guy. Okay, so this is product planner on render. Accept invitation here. This is obviously like per page token. That's probably equals. No, that's probably not. Token? Shit. Yeah, the thing is like this fake email thing doesn't display. Okay, let's use another fake email. 30-minute mail. Temp mail. Okay, let's try this one. Maybe this one will actually give me proper links. Yeah, okay, let's copy this one. Invite user. Let's do this. Send invitation. Invitation successfully sent. Okay. Let's see if this one will... Okay, we are getting this email. Nice. And here it's probably yeah, okay. John Doe. Maciej. Łukasz. Password 1 with capital P. 1. Password 1 with capital P. So you can actually steal my data and steal my... Oh, you never fought for a woman. Okay, good. Good for you, actually. Already exist. Okay, what's the username first? So this... Let's change... Is this one like already... like as employee by username? A user with username already exists. So he's taking first name? Last name? Okay. That's another bug. Good. I just found another bug. There are actually small bugs. They are so easy to fix now with AI. Because the password is too common. Okay. I should read my messages. Okay, let's just have... Yeah, let's try last common. Already exists. Johan. Where's the... I don't know. Okay, I will have to... With what username? What username is this actually giving? Accept invite. Company name. Token. Register. Okay, username. Oh, okay, that's the object I'm sending. First name, password, last name, username. Oh, okay. It doesn't give me actually username here. Why does it? Okay, there is some debugging here actually to be done, because this username, it's taking it obviously from accept invite, I guess. Is it here? Yeah, so actually invited by, but it already says that this one is registered. Yeah, because it takes... Okay. Because the problem is like, okay, it's taking username, this email as username, and it's already created in the database. Okay, there's something tiny wrong about the float. Which is good that I spotted it now. That's another thing to to have it fixed. Yeah, okay, let's just, okay, enough for the music for now. I'm actually kind of tired. It's quite loud, so. Yeah. So, where's the, okay, I don't know what I'm doing now even. Just, yeah, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Okay. You never fought for a woman. Good. Good for you. You are civilized. Did I ever fight? Maybe. Like physically, probably not. Okay. To have some prob with user invite. Invited a user with okay from okay, so this is I should have, I think I have all the information here. Company name, email. Yeah, I think there's some invited by role employee. Okay, and then I'm getting this response. I'm getting this response, and with this payload, payload, yeah, so small bugs. I mean, the thing is, like, this actually doesn't stop me from selling it, but I will feel more comfortable about it. Yeah, you can see my testing password. So I would rather not. Yeah, okay, it doesn't matter really that much. I just use it for testing here, so I don't think I should be worried about it. Although it's kind of private-ish, you know? I probably shouldn't start. I'm guessing. That since my invite email, it assign it as username, and then it just is taken. What can we do? About that? It's obviously Elon on the other side. That's my theory, because Grok, there's how the way Grok works is actually you just type in, and then it kind of sends email to Elon, and he thinks how to fix your problem, and then Elon sends you email back, and then it's actually just sent to you through the agent. So that, I think this is how Grok Code Fast 1 works. It might be actually different. There might be some system, but that's how I actually imagine it. Yeah, let's see. Come on, Elon. Copilot has been working on the problem for a while, just like 10 seconds. Come on, Copilot, don't lie to me. It wasn't that long. You just kind of looked into it, you didn't think of it too long, just didn't really worry on, you know. Come on. Grok, code fast, Copilot, do your job. I'm paying you for that. Yeah, model spy. Okay, continue. Let's see what it does actually. It seems to be yeah, serializers. All my favorite files. Python manage make migrations. Oh, we are making migrations here as well. Do you? Do we? Show migrations. Yeah, okay. Okay, backend. Python manage migrate. Yeah, let's try that. Seems to be causing lots of errors, but I don't know. Let it figure it out for himself. Because like I would really have to look deep into it to understand what's going on and why it's broken. Oh yeah, it seems fine now. He seems to be better. Okay, perfect. The migration has been applied successfully. Email unique and registration process says username to email, ensuring no conflict. The issue which the user invites should be resolved. The problem was that the system was trying to create a user with username, blah blah blah, but since email weren't enforced as unique, there could be conflict with usernames. With the changes, email are now unique. Username is automatically set to the email during the registration. This prevents username already exists server. Keep. Okay, let's just do that. Update. And let's send it straight to production. No clients yet, so we can send things straight to production. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish for now. I have to deal with my car and stuff and be back later. So if this was fun, if you found it interesting and enjoyed watching me struggling with my little bugs in my little system, the next stuff will be marketing. So I will want to finish my video for sales video for customers so I can actually sell it properly, and then I will be posting this on my sales page obviously and on YouTube as well. And then like once this is there, I will actually start putting money towards sending people to my sales website and hoping that someone will actually buy it, you know. I will hope that, you know, if I put $20 I will get one user or something like that. I don't know. I will be testing it, you know, and I will be doing like A/B tests, and you know, I'll be doing YouTube videos to explain how the app works, how it compares to the major apps that are actually out there on the market. I'll be showing you statistics, how actually well I'm performing, how many I sold, and mostly it will be 0 for first few months. Then hopefully I will actually start making money with this baby. And, you know, I will be showing you my success, I guess. But yeah, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed this, and I actually progressed very much today. And I'm seriously, you know, the thing is like my goal was to start selling it actually with the beginning of the year. Although I found a couple of errors which sort of prevented me from selling it. Obviously, I kind of like on the 2nd of January I actually turned off the payments to live one to production, but then I wasn't really sure that I should actually be sending people here, and I can still, you know, I still have to do a couple of testing sessions, so I need to spend maybe 2 more days to actually get that really ironed out. So yeah, thanks for your time, and see you next time. Stop streaming and